Hi skaters, today's video is a little different. It's I guess a troubleshooting video. It's like when you strip your threads on your plates. This is a fix, how to fix it instead of buying another set of expensive plates like these here. What you're gonna need is a tap and die set. The tap is for fixing the female threads. The die is if you wanted to fix the male thread of the toe stop itself. In this instance, the toe stop is destroyed, so we're just going to fix the plate itself because these are expensive plates. So you're going to need this is a 5/8 inch diameter around tap, and the threads are what, 18?
18.
18.
Mm-hmm.
So that gets you an idea. This is what you need, and you're going to need the handle as well. You can buy a complete set, or we bought just a single from Amazon. So it's your choice, whatever you like to do. So what you want to do, and I didn't have a vise to clamp this down on a work table or anything, so I did the next cheapest thing. Bought some clamps, cheaper, and just used a flat, so you can use a countertop, you can use anything, as I'm using my deck, my pool deck here. So what you want to do is make sure this thing is clamped very solidly, because this is on an angle, as you can see on this particular skate. It's not straight up and down. These threads are sitting at an angle, so what you want to make sure is this is clamped very securely, and you want to take this tap, and see how it's kind of tapered, it kind of cone shaped toward the end. Sadie, come on honey, you're digging right where we're trying to film, sweetheart. It's cone shaped, so it's made to kind of start to where you can kind of get it in there. So you want to have this clamped very well, and then you want to get your tap in there, and you want to, maybe Jasmine can come around on this side of me and see you want to have this tap completely 90 degrees with what you're trying to fix, and you want to just make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, and then we're going to clamp this on here, if I can manage to do this. I don't have much experience with this, but we'll give it a shot. So you get it nice and clamped, and you want to make real slow, small turns, right?
Okay.
And come back and forth, and try to keep it straight and do small amounts. Go a little further each time, and you'll feel it cut a groove in the threads. You just want to work it back and forth a little bit each time, keeping it straight as you can. I can feel it cutting it now. It's starting to bite in there. Go a little further in. Like that, a little further. There we go. Like that. You just want to go real small and real slow, and real small movements.
Sadie wants
There
to
you
be
go.
all involved.
Sadie, come on, honey.
Okay, leave him alone.
A little further. And I think we pretty much have it now. Nice and cutting it real nice. Yeah, I think we got it. So that's basically it. You just got to work it real slow and real short, small increments, and go back and forth. Then unthread it really carefully, because what you're doing here is the tap is steel, and what you're threading into is aluminum, much softer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I know this is a common problem.
Come on.
This happens a lot,
There
it
we
seems
go.
like, at certain plates. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Now, Jazz will get a quick look at that. I'm gonna go get the toe stop real quick.
Oh yeah, you can see. Got it all nice in there. And I know more than one person who's ruined a plate doing this, so.
Now we're
Okay.
Now we're gonna thread the toe stop in and just make sure the threads are good. And they appear to be. Unclamp this a little bit. There you go. Nice and tight. There we go. Okay. So that's about it. All right, and then you gotta tighten it up and put it back on your skates. So that's how you fix your stripped threads in your plate. We hope you found this video helpful and useful, as this is a common problem. I had never fixed stripped plates or anything, so it was a challenge for me. So I learned something throughout this, and hopefully you guys did as well. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button, and we'd love to hear your input, and please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, skaters. See you.